Alright guys, I feel like crap. And I look like crap. But I just got done with the hike. And I'm super dehydrated and super tired. But after 5 days, I finally got this baby printed. Because my printer decided to go on like the lowest setting of speed it could possibly go on. There's like pieces everywhere from it, from all the supports that failed. And like right here, you can see where the supports failed. It is really bad. Like that's supposed to be straight. It ain't straight. And then back here, there's supposed to be supports, and obviously, those supports failed, as you can see. That's why there's this big stringy mess right here. And then my printer bed also looks like that. But anyways, this is my new project. I've wanted this forever, and I finally have it. I have the lenses also printed, but I used that, I did those ones on my printer over there, and I need to fix it because it's kind of being goofy right now. So there's a layer that didn't do so hot, and now they're both broken in half, but I can just sew those back together. My plan with this though is I want like glowing eyes on the inside. I wanted to add like a motorized thing where it would come up so it can be taken off without me having to manually just take it off every time. But yeah, I'm gonna get this all the supports off of this, and we'll go back to you. Okay guys, I got like pretty much all the supports out. There's just like little, you can't really see it, but there's just like little hangings, like this stuff in there. I'm gonna see if it fits. That's my biggest fear. It looks like it fits, like there's no way this can't fit. And my head is usually a pretty small size for a human head. Let's see this. Ooh. Alright. A little tight on the ears, but you know what? Gotta deal with it. You know, it looks kind of weird right now because these are what add the coolness. And also, there's lenses that are gonna go in these. But yeah, let's take this out. I don't know if I can, guys. Oh, I can't wait to get all that sanded. And there is a lot to sand. Yeah, I think this was a success, and this is gonna be my new project. Okay, also not only do I have this project, but I also have this project, and last time I was working on this, I got too close to the thing, got too close to it with the paint, and it dripped, so I need to sand it all back down, and all that stuff, and then paint it. But yeah, I have this project, and then I have, obviously, this. These are my two projects that I'm working on. This is for a film I'm actually doing, and a remake of my old one. This is my old one, and I have it signed by Ray, the guy who voices Cyclops in X-Men 97. He signed it on both sides, and you can't really see it, but yeah, this is a remake of this one, but this one's gonna be better and shinier and more realistic looking. And then I have this buddy that I've always wanted. I'm also gonna be making a whole kind of suit with this one. But That's kind of far down the road. So yeah, these are kind of my my deals right now. This isn't a very entertaining video, but kind of just like an update, or not an update. I don't know what it is. But yeah, this is. I'm really excited for this one. I've really wanted this one for a very long time, and this one's just being annoying. So you guys, I'll see you guys later.